Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to list your business on Google. Alright, how to create Google My Business for your brand, how to promote your business on Google so that people can start patronizing you on Google, get a good traffic to your business, to attract new customers for every business and for every of your services you are offering. Alright, so I tell you it's going to be a step-by-step process on how you can get verified on Google. All right, so that whenever you get content posted, your contact information, your shop, whatever thing you are selling, people can notice you, can start promoting your brands on Google and every other platform you have there. All right, so I tell you, need to pay attention while we do this together. It's a step-by-step process of how you're going to get your business listed on Google. All right, so before we begin, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Amadine Etiosa. I have amazing content on my YouTube channel, ranging from how to design websites, how to promote your business on Google, how to make money online. I have all amazing content, and also how you can run successful Facebook ad campaign. All right, I have all of this on my YouTube channel. All right, all you need to do is to smash that notification bell and also make sure you subscribe to get updates on every video we post on this amazing YouTube channel. All right, so having said that, let's begin. So first, if you come over to your browser, make sure you have a Gmail account. All right, have a Gmail account, and if you don't have a Gmail account, do well to go to your browser and create a Gmail account. You can see there. All right, just go to Gmail account. All right, create one for yourself, or I can say create a Gmail account. All right, so if you don't have that, just I'll click on that now. I'll show you. Right, say create an account. All right, so once you come to create an account, put in your name, put in your first name, your surname. All right, just follow the process and get an account for yourself. All right, that's the first thing you need to do. Create a Gmail account for you to have Google My Business. That is the first thing. So now I'll be using mine for this particular training because I have a Gmail I've created. All right, so I'll just come over to this side and I'll come to, it's called Google My Business. All right, Google My Business. Are you getting now? My business. So you just go there. Can you see where it says? It said get business Google business profile. Can you see that now? Get Google business profile. It said get listed on Google. Get listed on Google. All right. So that is what you need to have that. All right. I will be showing you how you can do that right away. All right. So you can see that it says Google business profile. It says get listed on Google. All right. This is what it says. So once you just come here, just type it Google My Business, Google My Business, or you can also type it GMB, right? GMB or Google My Business. So once you type it, you can see where it says Google Business Profile, get listed on Google. All right, so once you do that, you just click on it, click on that first link you are seeing there. All right, then you see where it says manage now, or you can see that manage now. This is how it's going to be. Can you see all of this profile? All right, this is how it will appear. Can you see that now? So I'll just come here and click on manage now. All right, so you do that. Okay, good. So once you click on manage now, it will bring you to this part. All right, so you give your business a name, put your business name here. All right, whatever business name you are bearing, just put it there. All right, so just come here and put your business name. I just say, all right, just come here and type OG. All right, OG Tech. Let me use this. You can see that OG Tech. All right, put that. That's the name OG Tech. Or I'm using this for a client, so just put out OG Tech. Then I'll come over to this side here and says service. All right, service business, or if you are selling something, you can just put local store. All right, so you can just put, if you say, you can see all of them say customer can purchase directly through your website. All right, if you want to go ahead with that, no problem. You can see customer can visit your business in person. All right, so your business makes visit to your business makes visit to customers. All right, so you can do either of these. So just pick what will suit your business. I'll just pick local store. All right, then I'll come here and choose the category. I'll just say web design. All right, web design. I can see that website design, good. Then I'll click on next. Can you see that it's a very simple process? All right, next is for you to put your address, your office address or your home address, whichever one you are doing. Just put an address there. All right, so I'll come here and I'll put an address. I'll just say Just say Ugbowo, ethnicity. Alright, so just put Ego, or just put Ovia Northeast. Alright, so just put that there, Benin City. Okay, then I'll put the postal code. So just to get the postal code, I just copy this, then come to browser here, just paste it there. Just say postal code. Good. Can you see that Ovia Northeast postal code? Alright, so you see the postal code, okay, 302.102. I just put that there. Alright, just come here, 302.102. So just use that. Then state, just select, I'm using Edo State. Alright, so you just go through this and be sure of what you are putting. Alright, be sure of what you are putting. There is a step by step. Just be sure of what you are putting. Alright, this is the country, Nigeria. The street address, just put it there. Just put that particular one, Ugbowo. Then the local government, Ovia Northeast. There are different local government, but this particular one is Ovia Northeast. Then the city is Benin City. This is the postal code. I showed you how I got the postal code. Then this is the state. You click on next. Alright, so once you are sure of that, you click on next. Alright, so just click on this. Now they are trying to give me different options in line with what I just posted, but there are none of this particular one. I'll just click on none of this. Alright, so I'll click on next. Okay, then they want to locate it using the Google map. Alright, so I'll just try to fix it there. So this is the location they are giving me. Alright, you can always adjust. Can you see that they can adjust it? Can you see that? Alright, you can adjust to how you want it to be. Alright, you can always adjust. Then you just click on done. Then you click on next. Alright, so they're asking for a phone number. Alright, they're asking for a phone number. So I'll just put the phone number there and we'll continue. Alright, so I need to put a number. So I'll just come here. Now we are working with Nigeria, so I'll just select it, Nigeria. Alright, Nigeria. Alright, so just take it slowly. NI. Okay, I think we have passed it. Alright, this is in Nigeria. Then I'll come here and type the number. Alright, just put it there, 0. Okay, just the 8103074478. Alright, so this is it. So just put the number there. Be sure the number is correct. Be very sure the number you are putting is correct. 8103074478. Good. Alright, just make sure you confirm the number, then you click on next. Okay, so alright, so that is done. Say put your business on the map. Alright, just get invite to participate in survey, get tips. Can just click on continue. Alright, so you click on continue. The next thing is for us to verify. Alright, good. Select a way of verifying. Alright, good. So now the easiest way to verify is to do a video of your business. Alright, just do a video, 1-minute video. When you come to a point like this and they ask you to verify using the video, just get 1-minute video. Alright, just do a 1-minute video and verify. Alright, I'll click on next now. Alright, I will not change the option. I'll just go with this. I'll click on next. Alright, I'll click on start recording. Alright, so I'll just record 1-minute video. Alright, you can see say take your time. Most successful videos are 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes video. Alright, so it's very, very easy. Once you get this option of business video, just record your video 1 minute. Make sure that video is 1 minute. It's very, very good. Make sure the surrounding is neat, the picture is clear. Alright, just record 1 minute video, and before you know what's happening, it will be verified. So I'll click on start recording. Okay, so I'll need to use a mobile phone to record that video. Alright, so once you are able to record the video and it's successful, just upload it. Alright, upload it, very, very easy. Alright, there's sometimes they can either ask you to verify using a business video or using a code. They will send a code to your phone number. Alright, these are the two easiest options they can ask you to verify with. Either you use a code, either they test a code to your phone number, or they ask you for a business video. But the easiest one is this business video. Once they ask for this, just go outside, go to a clear place and snap and record a 1 minute video. Alright, 1 minute video. Make sure it's 1 minute. If it exceeds more than 1 minute, good, but make sure it's 1 minute. Then record the video. Once you are done, whether you are just showcasing yourself or you are showcasing your shop or anything, just record that 1 minute video. Once you are done, upload it. Alright. Once you upload the video less than 20 to 30 minutes, the video is approved. Your profile is also approved, and once it's approved, your business goes live to Google. All right, the people can start seeing whatever thing you are doing there. All right, so this is how to create a successful business Google My Business account on Google. Right, so once you are done with that, you can go over to it, then update your status and update everything you have there. All right, so hope you enjoy this particular session of this video, and if you do well to give this video a like, subscribe, and share if you have not done so. And if you're having any issues, please do well to drop in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you fix it. All right, thank you and see you in my next video.